Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
International Trademark Registration. What is International Trademark Registration? International trademarks are regulated by World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO). WIPO is an agency established by United Nations in the year 1967. International trademark registration and administration is regulated by a combination of WIPO treaties as well as other national and regional laws. Apart from national and regional laws, following trademark related treaties regulate the legal framework. Paris Convention adopted in 1883, Madrid Agreement concluded in 1891, Madrid Protocol concluded in 1989, Nice Agreement concluded in 1957, which established the Nice classification. Vienna Agreement it defined figurative elements of marks. Singapore Treaty of 1994, Trademark Law Treaty. Marriage System for International Trademark Registration. Madrid System is a centrally administered international trademark registration system which facilitates trademark registration and management on a worldwide level. This system finds its legal footing in Madrid Agreement, which is multilaterally treated for international registration of marks executed in 1891 and Madrid Protocol established in 1989. One can register an international trademark through Madrid system in multiple jurisdictions at the same time. This does not mean that it will be undefined registration. It will create a bundle of national rights through one application which can be administered centrally. This is a simplified and convenient method through which one can file a single application and make payment of a single set of fees for registration, protection, and management of trademark in 117 countries which are members as contracting party. Benefits of the Madrid system: cost effective, convenience, global coverage, and efficient brand management. Who is eligible to use Madrid system? The answer is anyone who has any kind of personal or business connection with any of the member of the Madrid system is entitled to file an application for registration under this system. Now the question arises, who are the members of the Madrid system? There are total 101 members of the system which covers 117 countries in total. These members are contracting parties of the above stated Madrid Agreement and Madrid Protocol. System of International Trademark Registration. The system of international trademark registration consists of three very important parts. Here we have listed out these three parts in precise. Part 1. Trademark Search. Before making an application for international trademark registration, it is recommended to make sure that no similar trademark is registered. This search can be based on the following three factors: text used in the trademark, image used in the trademark, goods or services class it is to be applied for. Part 2. File application for registration. The most important prerequisite is that the trademark is either already registered or applied for in the office of origin. One can opt for easier process of international trademark registration and file through Madrid system if they are a native of an eligible country. Part 3. International Trademark Management. Once the international trademark is successfully registered, its proper management is very important. Trademark management involves following aspects: renewal of trademark every 10 years, electronic payment of fees, expanding the geographical scope via filling in more countries, appointment of a new representative, transfer of ownership, cancellation of trademark. Fees for international trademark registration. Under Madrid system, the applicable fees for processing application for international trademark application constitute of three elements. 1. The basic application fee. 2. A complementary fee. 3. A supplementary fee. Prerequisites for registration. If you are planning to file for international trademark registration, it is a mandatory requirement that you have either already registered or have applied for same trademark in the Intellectual Property Office of the country of origin. The country from which the application will be filed from. The person planning to apply for international trademark registration must have either a personal or business connection with at least one of the contracting parties of the Madrid system. The applicant is a domicile of the contracting party. The applicant is a citizen of the contracting party and the applicant has a business in the contracting party.